everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look after Tron TRX coin, friends. A lot of people personally message me on Instagram that what's the price change goes at this time in a Tron and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold TRX coin, friends. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscribers. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel for more news and updates, friends. First of all, we look the price of TRX. As you can see here, the current price of TRX is about 0.108114 USD dollar is the current price of TRX in cryptocurrency markets. And if we look the change occurring TRX coins, absolutely good change, positive. Last 1 hour change positive, last 1 day change positive, last 1 week change as a negative, friends. Who's those people which buy TRX coin in the last 1 week, they are in the loss, and which buy to yesterday, so they are in the profit, friends. Now if you look the market rank of the TRX, so the market rank is about 20. That's mean that they move upward very fastly. That is why a lot of people want to buy TRX coin, friends. As you can see here, the last 1 day price change is about 12.58%, and the high price of the TRX is about 0.109423 USD dollar is the high price of TRX coin, and the previous last 1 day period, friends. If you look the price of the TRX coin, the next move, so it is clear for us that only goes upward at this time, friends. As you can see here, friends, they move upward. As you can see here, now they are also in the jumping mood, so hope they take a high jump and they have no idea to fast down, friends. So as you can see here, now from this point they also take a jump, so they can easily hit this point also, and after hitting this point they break this resistance, they break this resistance, and they will make this resistance a support for them, friends. As you can see here, friends, so the next move of the TRX coin, as it clear that they move upward, friends. As you know, the previous last 1 day change only move upward, friends. That now currently at this time the future of the TRX coin are bright. So if you are a holder of TRX coin, so please hold it. With the last of this month, that is just the beginning of a big pump of the TRX are coming soon, so wait for it. And what's your opinion about TRX? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.